Genesis chapter 10 verse 1. Now this is the genealogy of the sons of Noah, Shem, Ham, and Japheth, and sons were born to them after the flood. Verse 2. The sons of Japheth were Gomer, Magog, Madai, Javan, Tubal, Meshech, and Tiras. Verse 3. The sons of Gomer were Ashkenaz, Ripheth, and Togarmah. Verse 4. The sons of Javan were Elisha, Tarshish, Kittim, and Dodanim. Verse 5. From these the coastland peoples of the Gentiles were separated into their lands, everyone according to his language, according to their families, into their nations. Verse 6. The sons of Ham were Cush, Mizraim, Put, and Canaan. Verse 7. The sons of Cush were Seba, Havilah, Sabta, Rama, and Sabtecha. And the sons of Rama were Sheba and Dedan. Verse 8. Cush begot Nimrod. He began to be a mighty one on the earth. Verse 9. He was a mighty hunter before the Lord. Therefore it is said, like Nimrod the mighty hunter before the Lord. Verse 10. And the beginning of his kingdom was Babel, Erech, Akkad, and Calneh, in the land of Shinar. Verse 11. From that land he went to Assyria and built Nineveh, Rehoboth-ir, Calah. Verse 12. And reasoned between Nineveh and Calah, that is the principal city. Verse 13. Mizraim begot Ludim, Anamim, Lehabim, Naphtahim. Verse 14. Pathrusim, and Casluhim, from whom came the Philistines, and Caphtorim. Verse 15. Canaan begot Sidon his firstborn, and Het. Verse 16. The Jebusite, the Amorite, and the Girgashite. Verse 17. The Hivite, the Arkite, and the Sinnite. Verse 18. The Arvadite, the Zemarite, and the Hamathite. Afterward the families of the Canaanites were dispersed. Verse 19. And the border of the Canaanites was from Sidon as you go toward Gerar, as far as Gaza. Then, as you go toward Sodom, Gomorrah, Admah, and Zeboim, as far as Lasha. Verse 20. These were the sons of Ham, according to their families, according to their languages, in their lands and in their nations. Verse 21. And children were born also to Shem, the father of all the children of Eber, the brother of Japheth the elder. Verse 22. The sons of Shem were Elam, Asher, Arphaxad, Lud, and Aram. Verse 23. The sons of Aram were Uz, Hul, Gether, and Mash. Verse 24. Arphaxad begot Salah, and Salah begot Eber. Verse 25. To Eber were born two sons. The name of one was Peleg, for in his days the earth was divided, and his brother's name was Joktan. Verse 26. Joktan begot Almodad, Sheleph, Hazarmath, Jerah. Verse 27. Hadoram, Uzal, Diklah. Verse 28. Obal, Abimael, Sheba. Verse 29. Ophir, Havilah, and Jabab. All these were the sons of Joktan. Verse 30. And their dwelling place was from Mesha as you go toward Sephar, the mountain of the east. Verse 31. These were the sons of Shem, according to their families, according to their languages, in their lands, according to their nations. Verse 32. These were the families of the sons of Noah, according to their generations, in their nations. And from these the nations were divided on the earth after the flood.